panel. Kindly subscribe to this channel. If this is your first time on this channel or you've been visiting and you haven't subscribed, kindly subscribe, and then you can share this video after watching to you. Alright, okay, so we'll be designing this logo mock-up without Photopea. So the first thing we have to do, we have to take a shape which we use to design the logo itself. So I'll be taking this shape and I'll change the color to black. Good. So I can just increase the size a bit. And then I'll take another shape. This time around, I'll be taking a triangular shape. I'll be taking this. Good. Then reduce the width. Place it here, and I'll copy this. Then go down to 3D rotate, and I will rotate it this way and place it here too. Good. I can just adjust this a bit so it look nice. Good. I will take another shape. This time around, I'll be taking this. Then rotate it this way. Or I can simply use this rotate it well. Good. Then reduce the size and place it here. So I'll merge everything here together. You can just select everything here, merge them. Let me change the color of this background. I can just pick this yellow color. Then I will erase all the white colors here. You can just go down to erase color, enable it, and then all the colors, all the white colors will be erased. Good. Good. So I can simply reduce the size of this. Sorry. I think this way should be nice. I'll just place it here. Then I'll take another shape. I'll take this same square shape. Change the color to black just like we did before. And then reduce the width this way. Can simply rotate it. Good. Then I'll copy this, rotate it too. Good. So I can just merge these two things together. Okay. Then reduce the size a bit, and then reduce the size of this too a bit. Move this in such a way that it will merge with this M. Increase it a little. Good. Good. So I'll merge these things together. Good. I'll pick another shape, go to shapes, pick this same shape again, reduce the size this way, and then I'll copy this, place it here in such a way that it will form a cross sign like this. Then merge it. Good. So I'll pick a color. I can just change the color to red. Or better still, I'll pick another color. I'll pick a green color. I'll pick this. Good. So we'll do this out a bit. Sorry, so I can just crop this way. Good. Good. Then reduce the size a bit, and then place it in such a way that it will appear to be inside the M logo. And increase this a bit. Good. So I'll copy this. And then change the color to red. Place it here, and then I'll crop it. This time around I'll be cropping it this way, like this. Good. So I'll be making use of this relative size. I can just reduce the size of this, and then use this position to place it here. I'll move it to back, and then use this position to place it here. Good. So we're done with this. I'll have good. The next thing I'll be adding here is the name of this logo, and then edit. Which is Medics Health Key. Good. Move this down, then make it to be aligned at the middle. I'll use this alignment to align it at the middle, and also change the font. So I can just pick the font I want to be making use of for this design. So I'll pick this, then make it bold. Good. Change the color. I'll add a color to it, but before then I'll highlight this the first Medics here, and then change the color to red. Then the other one I'll change the color to black. Good. So I can just increase the size of this. I'll increase the size of this logo a bit so it will be able to fit in well. Good. Good. So I'll have to pick I'll pick another shape here. I'll have to pick another shape. I'll go to shapes, then select a circle shape, which is this. Increase the size, increase the width this way. And then I'll copy this. Once I copy it, I'll change the color of one of them, either to red. Good. Then place it here, this way. Go to merge, then merge the two together. Good. Then I will erase the red color. Go to erase color, place this here so that the red color will be erased, and then mark good. This time around, I will equally change the color of this, enable color, and then go down to the green I initially made use of to select that green color, which is this. Good. Then place this well so that it will not be covering the text that is here. I can use this position to place this well. Good. Select this just to adjust it very well. Good. So we are done with this. I'll change the background of this to transparent before we proceed to the mock-up. Let me adjust this a bit again. Good. So I'll go to the background and then make it transparent to be this way. You can see that. And I'll save this as image. Save it to your gallery. Good. So we are done with this design. We are going to proceed to the mock-up this time around. So I can just go to this app, this Photopea app. If you want to know how I install this app you cannot get from Play Store. So if you want to know how I install this Photopea app, kindly check the description. There is a link, a video link containing how to install this app and download it successfully into your phone. You can just watch the video and then download the app and open it and run your mockups. Alright, so I can just go to new projects just like I did, tap on this back and then tap on insert from gallery without crop. I will select this so it will redirect me to my gallery. So this is the item here. I can just select this and then tap on these three dots that is here. Tap on convert to 3D mockup. Then tap this green one. It's loading, so we have to wait a little. So these are the necessary mockups. You can use this app to design, but we'll be making use of a particular one. We'll be making use of a particular one here, which is I Love 3D. So this is in this I Love 3D. You can just tap on the blue button here, then tap on Accept. So it's loading now. You need to watch the ad, because if you not watch the ad, the mockup will not be done successfully. So you can just watch the ad, yes, for some seconds, and then proceed to the next step.
با هر چقدر که پول داری طلا پس انداز کن، اونم آن بول.
So you can just tap on this bad icon here to cancel it. Tap here to cancel it. And then it's loading. So we have to wait so that the mockup will be converted. Successfully sent to server. So this is not an advertisement, so you can just cancel this. Cancel this. So this is the mockup. It has been done successfully. If you want to save it to your gallery, you can just tap on this save. You see that it's already saved to your gallery. So once you go to your gallery, you will see this exact mockup there, so beautiful and nice. So this is how you can design a 3D mockup easily with your phone, without any complications, or without using Photopea. Or maybe if you're very confused on using Photopea, you can just use this simple and short. So thank you once again for being here. Thank you once again for watching this video. Please, if you learned something new from this video, if this video is useful to you, don't forget to share this video, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Once you subscribe to this channel, you'll be getting more inspirations and more design tips. All right, so thank you once again, and I'll be expecting you on my next video. Thank you.